Alright, so like I said, we got everything, man. We got everything ready for growing, and I still haven't been able to use this thing. I put it in the ground. I put it in the dirt, and it doesn't really read the pH cube, to be honest. Like it stays there. I don't know. Does anyone know how to use this thing? Because every time I put it in the soil, like look at it. It's there, right? And you put it in, and it's still there. You know what I mean? Like, am I doing something wrong? These let's see, moist, light, pH. Okay, so we got it on pH. You see, it's still there. When we stick it in the soil, and it's still there. I don't get it. If anybody knows anything about this thing, I didn't spend a lot of money on it, but so I know it's not broken because it's brand new, but I just can't figure out how to get this thing working. So insert probe tip into the root level. Always clean tip after use. Okay, so maybe the tip is what matters. Let's see if we can get this thing a little deeper on there or something. Still nothing. Okay, well, we'll look at that later. If anybody has any information on that, let me know. But like I said, yeah. So yeah, we got pots for days, man. We got pots for days. Just over time of doing business, I picked them up. Customers throw them out, and I bought some of them, and you know, I just save them because I know they're gonna get used. They're gonna get put to use. So I'm gonna have all of these filled up when I get the making soil down pat. Okay, so if you watched my other video yesterday, then you know I came out here and I did a lot of raking. I did a lot of cleaning up out here. A lot of, you know, trying to make room for new plants and stuff like that. Got more pots. Got this big boy here for my trees. I want to move around. Got my lemon tree. So yeah, I had, when I first started out on this farm, see, this looks dead. It looks dead to me. And somebody let me know, is this dead? Because last time I had about 7 or 8 of these banana trees. And they were looking just like this. So I pulled them out of the ground and I threw them away, thinking that they were dead. And then I had somebody say, hey man, why'd you pull those out of the ground? And I'm like, well, I mean, look at them. They were looking like they were dead, just like this. And I said, no man, they come back to life. So hopefully these come back to life and they, you know, they pretty back up. But I don't know. So you guys let me know. Got the sugar cane. I used to have so much more stuff out here. I mean, a lot of my stuff, when that winter hit, don't worry, this is an old bird house. There are no birds in this anymore. See, what happened was, I transplanted this last year. I think this one might be actually dead, but I'm not gonna pull it out of the ground. I want to find something to pull that nest out of there. So yeah, this is there's nothing in here. So I'm just gonna get that out of there. I've been procrastinating on getting that out of there. But yeah, this tree's I think it's dead. I might have to end up burning it, but I'm gonna still give it probably another 6 months to I don't know, maybe 8 months to see if it gets any type of rain on it. Like this thing here, this doesn't look you know, that's still kind of brown, you know what I mean? So there might be some life to it. I don't know. I'm gonna leave it, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, we're just gonna give y'all a little walk through what I got going on. Here is a moringa tree, and I'm still kind of new to farming, so I don't know quite about a lot of these trees and the stuff that I planted. When it was spring, it was producing well, but see, it's cold now, so there's nothing on here. This thing is just bare, but I'm sure this is still alive. I'm gonna leave that. I know that's good to go. I'm just gonna have to wait till spring and see if the thing blossoms back up. We'll see. And this one here is another lemon tree I have. Uh, this one was doing good when I first planted it. It had a lot of green on it, but like I said, when the winter, I guess I don't know. I'm still learning about. It's probably my second year in the farming, and I haven't had a lot of trees. But yes, this tree was doing well. You have to give me time to clean up, guys. This is why I be not inspired sometimes. I be embarrassed about the background, and because I know I got a lot of work I got to do on this farm. So yeah, just kind of ignore the stuff. That's my child's sandbox back there. I gotta clean all that up. And that's her little playpen, her little, you know, trampoline. I'll clean that up also. But yeah, just try to ignore and work with me. I want to get this thing, be consistent with you guys. But yeah, this it was green. It was doing good in the summer and spring. It was green. It looked like it was because I planted this one too. And then the wintertime came and now it's looking like this. So we'll just let this sit too. I mean, I guess if you look at the regular trees, like, you know, just the trees that's been here for probably 5, 10, 20 years, they do the same thing. Look at that. So, I mean, it's probably fine. I'm just going to just wait until everything, that sun and spring and summer and the, season come back around. We'll see what happens. This one's still green. Green, 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 green. That's what I like to see. I like to keep the tags on them. I know people, they tell me, oh, take the tags off it. You're going to kill it in my comments. But sometimes I like to keep them on here just so I know, like, what type of orange. And, I like to know exactly what type of tree it is. And this thing is doing really good. Doing really good. So, yeah, so there's that. Still a little bit more walking around. I'll show you guys what's up. Then we got the, this would be blueberry. Blueberry is fine. Look at that. See that green on there? It's fine. Got his pollinating partner. That's the pollinating partner. It's fine. They haven't really grew much since I planted them. I planted them probably about 6 months ago. But yeah, that's my cream. I got two, not cranberry, blueberry. I'm hoping those bad boys get real big this year whenever the spring comes around. You hear those gunshots? It's just, like I say, I'm in unincorporated area. They shoot and do all kinds of crazy stuff out here all the time. So just ignore the gunshots. This I know is fine. I'm actually gonna make another video soon. If you want to like and subscribe, I'm gonna be making another video on this because when I bought it from a friend of mine. Actually, I bought it from a buddy of mine that I went to school with. His father. I was doing business and I was hauling off some stuff, and instead of cash payments, he knows I have a farm, so he likes to give me plants. So this is a fig tree, and this I know this is doing fine. Look at that. He's like, hey, I'm still good. Don't bother me, So yeah, that's gonna be very fruitful whenever the spring comes back around. It's gonna look beautiful. But what I want to do is I want to probably start promulgating a lot of these. So I'll probably take like 2 or 3 of these limbs and cut them and try to get some roots out of them and plant some throughout the yard. So yeah, stay tuned for that next video. Make sure you like and subscribe. See. Let's go ahead and walk around a little bit more what I got. And then we got this here. This would be see, there goes another local driving crazy. Look at them. Yeah, they're nuts out here. But yeah, just another loud noise. This is my this would be mango, not mango. Some type of fruit tree, not mango. I'm sure you guys know what it is. Somebody in the comments will tell me. It's a fruit tree. I just can't put a finger on it right now. And I apologize. If I remember, I'll walk back over it. I'll walk over it and say, hey, yo, oh yeah, I remember this is such and such. So yeah. We're just gonna let y'all know what we got so far on the farm. Then we got here, we got more sugarcane. Sugarcane. That's a carrot, I believe. It's a carrot. These used to be okra. Somebody let me know in the comments, man. Is these okra still good or what? They look dead. They look dead, but I think they're fine. I don't know. We're gonna see it. We're just gonna leave all of this stuff in here, and then we'll come around spring. We'll see how it does. More sugarcane. See, what happened was I had goats, and the goats got in here, and they were pretty okras. They grew nicely. They always had okras on them, and the goats came in here and they chewed them up short and stubby. And they messed them up pretty bad. But yeah, we're gonna keep them in there. We're gonna have hope that they come back. But yeah, we have okra here. Then we got the carrots. Everything in there is carrot. All the green is carrot. It's a carrot bin. That's my carrot bin. Then I have to fix that. Then we got well, it was turmeric. I'm sure that turmeric's good. Oh, actually, ooh, you can actually smell it. Yeah, it smells potent, so I'm assuming that's fine. It actually smells really good. So that's turmeric. And then we got pineapple. That's the pineapple. I think that's fine. Okay. So we got a little bit. Not nearly as much as I would like, but we have a little bit. This is the apple. Now let me tell you the story of the apple. So again with the goat. The goat came through it here. Look at that. It was tall. This apple tree stood to about right here. And the goat leaned on it and broke it. So now it's small and it's starting over. But that is apple. That is apple. This is collard green. This was my wheat collard green. It didn't produce a lot of collard green, but it did produce collard greens. And it's still okay. As you can see, it's not producing barely as much as it was, but it's still alive and it's still thriving. And then we got the chili. Okay. That's the chili. Another one that's kind of acts like it's want to fade away in the wintertime and doesn't produce anything. That's chili. So when there's a spring thing, that thing blossoms real good. I eat chilies all the time when it's actually blooming. We got some bins that I built there, but nothing grows in there for some reason. I got that bin. I still got to put soil in there. So, and we got one more tree. I'll walk you guys over here and show you this last tree I got. So yeah, I don't have too much, but I got enough to get started. What do you guys recommend? Like, what do you think I should implement in my farm? Like something fruitful and something I can, get a lot of. So if you walk way over here, I had chickens. My helper left, aka X. So I had to get rid of them. But so we're gonna walk over here. I got plenty of space. I'm gonna put a lot more plants. I gotta come out. Fuck, if you seen the video yesterday, then you've seen this is another chicken coop I had. Eventually, I will be getting chickens again, so stay tuned for that. But as of right now, I didn't have time to take care of them and work, so I didn't keep the ones I had. So, but we will be getting more. Okay, here's the last tree that I implanted. I don't know what you're thinking, man, those are some big trees. How did he get those big trees in the ground? I fought. You hear me? I fought to get these things on this farm. I fought with all my might. But here's another one. It's still green. Look at that. This is the only one that's still thriving, because I guess it's the oldest one, and it's actually getting bigger. It's getting real big. But this is another one that I know is alive, so hopefully we get some limes on there this year. But I know when you transfer them, you don't get a lot of limes. So yeah, I still got a lot of cleaning I gotta do, guys. I got a lot of cleaning I gotta do, but that's pretty much all the plants we got. So let me know what do you think I should implement. What do you think I should bring to the farm? Like, what more do you think I should bring and plant that will help me produce and make some good money, a little extra money and everything like that? Just help me out. Give me some advice, man. Y'all follow my journey. Like, comment, subscribe. And we're gonna be consistent with you guys. I want to make this thing the most beautiful farm in the United States. If I can, I'm very passionate. Things that I like to accomplish. So yeah, just like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think I should bring to the farm. Thanks for watching.